Today I'm here with you to celebrate Tanabata, which is a big event in Japan. It's actually a legend that is taken from China around the 8th century and brought to Japan. And it is a story that accommodates two lovers represented by the stars Vega and Altair, who are only allowed to meet up once a year on the 7th of July when the skies are clear. But these past 2 years has been quite rainy, so they have not been allowed to meet the last 2 years, at least when it comes to the weather in Osaka. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they will be allowed to meet next year. And in today's tradition then we celebrate by having a bamboo tree with some branches, and then you can write your small wish on a piece of paper and then tie it around a bamboo branch, and then hopefully your wish will come true, like the two lovers being able to meet again. But yeah, enough talking, let's go make some Galaxy Yokan.
So for making this masterpiece of a dessert, then you just dice up half a white peach. We need some color for this, so we use a small spoon of red color that you mix with 1 tablespoon of water, and then you can either mix 1 small spoon of blue color, or you can add in some blue syrup, for example, and just do that until you get a purple color, and then you can use the blue syrup for the blue color later on. And then for the gel, then we need 150 grams or milliliter of water, the Agar powder, which is 4 grams, and powdered sugar. Then you heat it up in a pot and stir it until it starts boiling, and then it boils for 2 minutes. Once it's been boiled for 2 minutes, then you just add it to your container, and then you add in the sprinkles that you have. It's like sugar sprinkles, basically in silver, that we're using, and then just separate them so it looks like a starry sky from the bottom. Then you add in the color, so you can add the purple in the top and the blue in the bottom, for example. Make sure that the color covers every corner of the gel, and then you just mix the edge a little bit so it combines, and into the fridge for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, then you can just make the peach syrup or peach thing, where you add in the peach syrup and the rest of the Agar powder, so 2 grams. And then we need that to boil for a little bit. Once boiling, then you can add the white beet paste and stir it until you get this texture here. Now it's nicely mixed, so you can add in your diced peach. And just stir that around for a bit, and then that's pretty much done. For the gel, then you can poke in a few holes for it to release easier when it's done completely. And then you can add on top the peach and the white bean paste. Once added, then you just spread it around evenly. And then this gets tapped a couple of times for it to even out even more, and then into the fridge for another hour. But all the ingredients are in the description down below as well for you to look at. Then you just, once it's done after 1 hour in the fridge, then you separate it with a knife and then you take it out of the container. It looks quite magnificent, doesn't it?
Have you seen it? It looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? It has the starry look from the powdered sprinkles, and then the two different colors from the colors, basically. But let's see if the taste is also super nice. At least the look is stunning, I think. It is a super sweet Japanese dish, or Japanese dessert, but that is usually how it is as well. You have the super nice flavor from the peach, and then the gel on top. The gel is not always very usual for yokan, but it has a super nice look, doesn't it? If you want to pair it up with some drink, then some good Japanese tea is very suitable. But yeah, if you like the Japanese sweets, then please head up onto here where we have more Japanese dishes, and I'll see you in there.